How to make weather in Roblox Studio. Prepare rain and snow particles. Put both particles together in one part. Rename the part to weather part. Check the part name inside the part. Move the weather part to replicated storage. Add a script in server script service. Writing the script. This script creates a dynamic weather system. It cycles through clear, cloudy, rainy, and snowy weather. Set all variables. Ensure that the cloud system is ready to be adjusted for different weather conditions. Find the basic particle sky and place the particle grid over the map. Clear sky particles function. Turns off rain emitter and snow emitter in the sky. Destroys the particle parts after 5 seconds to clean up old weather effects. Spawn sky particles function. Spawns a grid of weather parts over the map based on the current weather. If the weather is rainy or snowy, it activates the appropriate particle emitter. Make smooth transitions for properties over a set duration using tween service. Weather functions. Each function sets different weather conditions, modifies light and cloud properties, and creates or clears particles in the sky as needed. This section automatically cycles through all the weather states. Every 30 seconds, it changes the weather to the next type. Once it reaches the end, it loops back to the start. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.